Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset network settings on your JVC Smart TV. So Amazon TV lacks the direct way to reset your network settings. However, we have several ways to do this. First of all, if you are using an Ethernet connection, you can just unplug your Ethernet cable from the TV, then wait for a couple of seconds and then plug it back inside. Now for the Wi-Fi connections, we have to go to settings, then open network, and then in network, in order to refresh the connection that we currently have, we have to highlight the network and just press select button on it. This will refresh the connection, but if it's not helping, you can basically just forget the network that you are connected to by pressing the menu button on your remote control, which is the button with three stripes on it, like this one. So just press menu button and then OK, and this way you will forget the network. And then you'll be able to reconnect to it by selecting it on this list. If you don't see it here, go to all networks, then select your network and then enter a password to it once again. Once you have entered the password, click connect and reconnect to the network. And so yeah, that's basically how you do it. You can also enable or disable the general network by switching this toggle to the off or on. And besides, one additional step that might help you is basic Wi-Fi troubleshooting tips. So you can check these tips. You can reboot your TV here, which will also refresh your network. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.